Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be asking the user to confirm that they really want to exit if they have unsaved changes. So let's jump right in it. We're going to go and create a new function. I'm just going to create it down here and call it confirm quit. And what this is going to do is it's going to start off as unsaved equal false. And then it's going to cycle through the tabs, and if any one of them is unsaved, it's going to turn this to true. So we'll do for tab in notebook.tabs. We will get the current widget, which is tab widget, is root.name2widget of the tab. And again, we're using the tab name here, and then we're getting the actual widget using the name2widget method. Then we are going to do that the content is equal to the tab widget dot get 1.0 to end -1c, and then we're going to check the contents. So if the hash of the content is not equal to the text contents str of tab widget, sorry, I'm actually going to rename this to text widget just because it makes it much clearer what it actually is. Then unsaved is true because they are different. So we can now break. If they are the same, that means that this file is not unsaved, and it should have the little asterisk beside its name. So we won't do this. Next up, if unsaved, then we're going to ask the user to confirm whether they really want to exit. So we'll say confirm is messagebox.askYesNo, and we will pass in a message. You have unsaved changes, are you sure you want to quit? Then we will place an icon, which is the string question. And finally, we will have a title for the window, which is going to be confirm quit. So if not confirm, we're going to return. Otherwise, we're going to do root.destroy, and that's going to close our application. Now, we do have to import messagebox, so go ahead and do that just from Tkinter there. So what this is doing, just to review, is it's starting off as unsaved false, which means that all the files currently open are saved. Then it's going to cycle through all the tabs, getting the text widget, getting the content, and checking it against our text contents dictionary. If any of them don't match, that means there is at least one file that is unsaved. So we set unsaved to true, we break, and then if unsaved is true, then we ask the user to confirm. If they confirm saying that they do not want to quit, that means they click no, then confirm will be false, and then we will just return and not run root destroy. However, if they do not say no, that means that not confirm will be false, so we will then root destroy. Next up, we do have to add a way of calling that function, and we're going to do that with another menu item. So we are not going to run this whenever you press the close button. We're going to run this when you use the menu to exit. So we'll say file menu, add command. The label is going to be exit, and the command is confirm quit. Let's press play. I will type an H, and then I will press file exit, and this is what it asks me. You have unsaved changes, are you sure you want to quit? And I will say yes. So then it exits. But similarly, if we type H and then we exit and we say no, then that just returns and it doesn't actually terminate the application. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm actually going to remove this print from here, since we're printing the frame names there, or the text area names there. We don't want to do that. So that's it for this video. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.